Hello, welcome to Smriti Creation. In today's collections, I will be showing you the soft linen sarees. There will be 3 or 4 designs, but I've got many number of collections in this. I will be showing you some of the sarees to you. All these will be having silver jari border, batik prints, floral prints, and different concepts of prints. You can see the collections. You will be able to see the light colors, dark colors, sober colors. It is useful for all the occasions. It is not only for elders or youngers, it is for all generations. I will be opening some of the sarees for you. It will be very nice to see. See the floral prints. The material is so flowing. The rates of these sarees are 790 rupees. Even we send the single sarees for shipping also. See, this is the body part, and the pallu will also be continuous. This is the blouse part. Blouse will be plain. You can see the colors and you can see the flow of the sarees. It is also easy flowing. This is floral print. Now I will be showing you the ikat prints. This is again a different concept. And I have 4 colors to 5 colors in each saree. Same running pallu and blouse will be plain. It will be having silver borders and easy flow material. It's so elegant to see. You can also send the messages to the WhatsApp. We will be scrolling the number in the screen. Our number is 944-8381-656. This is the pallu, this is the blouse, and this is the body. And pallu will be continuous in this with silver border, and the concept of the border and the print will be different. See, it is so nice and it is so flowing also. Now I will be showing you the Benaras Butta sarees. The feeling of the sarees is just like soft silk, and it gives the traditional look with the meena pallus and the jari borders. And the body will have continuous buttas. You please concentrate on the codes or the numbers, whatever we have written on the sarees. These are the codes which you can see or verify about the saree and the quality in our website. Our website name is www.smriticreation.com. These sarees will be having free shipping for all over India, and the rate of this saree is 1940. Again, for your reference, I will be opening one saree for you. This is just like pure silk sarees. And these are dry washing sarees. These are not home washable. Please take a note. This is the pallu part and this is the blouse part. Blouse will be having border. You can stitch it as per your wishes. Now I will be showing you one more saree. This is light cream with green border. Same thing. This is having a real pure silk feeling. See, you can enjoy wearing these sarees. This is usable for all the occasions. The flow of the saree will be so smooth. It is just like silk feeling. You can see the border, you can see the pallu, and this is the blouse. Blouse again will be having the border. You can stitch it for your arms. It is so nice. See. Now I will be showing you Sachi cotton collections. See, this is soft cotton and easy flowing material. This is not thick. This is not thin. This is sober feeling. This again will have the colors of both the trends, sober and bright colors. And you can see there will be around 7 to 8 designs, and designs will be in multiple numbers, and colors also will be in multiple numbers. Again, please concentrate on the numbers. If at all you want, you can WhatsApp to us. Our number is 944-8381-656, and whatever the numbers you are seeing on the sarees, you can check out these sarees in our website. Our website name is www.smriticreation.com. You can see many collections in our website. I will be opening one more saree for you. See, this is the body part. Body is so beautiful. This is dyed type. See, this is the body part, and the pallu will be continuous. There will be no differentiation for the saree and the pallu. This is the blouse part. Blouse will be plain. Plain and contrast blouse. We will be opening this saree also. This is of a different print and different concept. And this, see, The beauty of this saree is there is separation for the pallu and the body is also separate print. This is the body part, this is the pallu part, and the blouse will be printed and dotted blouses. These are the blouse. Again, the saree is having pure cotton feel, and whatever the rates we will be telling, it is all inclusive of GST, and the rate of these sarees is 600 rupees. This is another saree which I will be opening for you. This is having prints and pallu will be different. Pallu will be contrast actually. This is the body part which is having the Varli concept and body borders and pallu. I will be showing the blouse also. Blouse will be of black ikat style. Again, the material is easy flowing and it is actually very soft feeling. And there is no need to put any starch or any extra materials for these things. These are all home washable. You don't need any dry clean purpose for these things. The body part will be like this. It is having some exclusive border concept. This is the pallu and blouse will be contrast. This is ikat feeling blouse. One more collection. This is designer chiffon. This is again very soft feeling and you can crush it however you want. This is so nice. This is the body part. This is the blouse part. And the saree and pallu will be the same. It will be continuous. This again so easy flowing. And the rate of this saree is 800 rupees. And this blouse will be plain for you. Almost all the sarees it will be having with blouse only. There is no sarees like it is without blouse. You please visit to our shop. We are put up in Jayanagar second block. You can see many collections.